हाँ, तो ये डिकोडर का एक्चुअली डिकोडर का ये डेफिनेशन देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है। डिकोडर डेफिनेशन, एक्चुअली the inputs are given, the inputs are given to the computer. The inputs are given to the computer. The inputs are given to the computer. The inputs are given to the computer, converted to equivalent code, equivalent binary codes. We can write binary codes with the help of encoder. Clear? The inputs are given to the computer, converted to equivalent binary code with the help of encoder. Clear? With the help of encoder. Clear? These codes are decoded. These codes are decoded and decoded. These codes are decoded and these codes are decoded. These codes are decoded into. These codes are decoded into. These codes are decoded into. Actually, equivalent. These codes are decoded into its equivalent output signal. Clear? These codes are decoded into its equivalent output signal. Okay? Clear? Decoded into its equivalent output signal. Okay? And for this decoder is required. Clear? In decoder, clear, there are n number of input bits, input bits and n number of input bits and 2 to the power n number of output lines. Clear? The inputs are given to the computer, converted to its equivalent binary code with the help of encoder. These codes are decoded into its equivalent output signals. For this decoder is required. In decoder there are n number of input bits. In decoder there are n number of input bits and 2 to the power n number of output lines. Okay, so this becomes, you just see, fine. Okay, now I am rubbing it, erasing it. You just see. Clear? Okay, you just see. In this way you can understand the decoder. Input, output. Clear? If I am giving 2 to the two input. Okay, input number of input is 2. Clear? The output is 2 to the power 2, that is equal to 4. Clear? Number of input is 3. Clear? The output is here 2 to the power 3, that is equal to 8. Clear? Number of input is here 4. The output is 2 to the power 4, that is equal to 16. Clear? Similarly, the input is n. Clear? Then output will be here 2 to the power n. Clear? So this is called here 2 cross 4 decoder. This is called here 2 cross 4 decoder. Okay? Is that clear? And this is called here 3 cross 8 decoder. Clear? And this is called here 4 cross 16 decoder. Clear? That's all. Not required. Then, okay. 2 cross 4 decoder, 3 cross 8 decoder, and 4 cross 16 decoder. Okay, that's all about actually the definition of decoder. This is called decoder. Yeah. Okay. One thing you can add there. Actually, it converts when it is converted, and it is skipped from my mind that when it is converted into output signal, the output actually encoder Encoder help in convert into output signal that is understandable by human being. Here, in the definition you can add encoder. Actually, in the definition I am saying, you will have to add encoder, encoder, encoder. Actually, actually, it is encoder, decoded into equivalent output signals. Actually, encoder decoded, yeah, decode, encoder decode, sorry, decode, not decode, encoder decode into equivalent output signal which are understandable by humans. Okay, you can add this encoder decode. Actually, encoder decode into equivalent output signals which are understandable. UNDER. I am rewriting this. Okay. Which are understandable by human. Yeah. So you will conclude this. You can add this in the definition of the decoder. Clear? By human. So that's all of the definition of decoder. Fine. Okay. I am rubbing. Okay. Now the session is over.